Introverted thinking, TI. Orientation, introverted, emphasizes analyzing and constructing internal frameworks and models independent of external input and influence. From the outside, analytical, prioritizing logical consistency. On the inside, detailed, processing and seeking to understand intricate details. Preferred environment, quiet, allowing for uninterrupted thought. Decision-making style, logical, guided by internal principles. Problem-solving approach, rational and thorough, focusing on clarity and precision. Communication style, precise, relaying carefully curated information. Learning style, deductive, breaking down complex ideas into their logical components for deeper comprehension. Stress response, withdrawn, focusing inward to sort through complexities. Desire, understanding, finding satisfaction in gaining deeper comprehension. Extroverted thinking, TE. Orientation, extroverted. It focuses on organizing, directing, and interacting with the external world to achieve desired outcomes. From the outside, directive, shaping the external world to meet objectives. On the inside, structured, organizing thoughts in a clear sequential manner. Preferred environment, orderly, promoting efficient action. Decision-making style, objective, relying on factual evidence. Problem-solving approach, pragmatic, quickly identifies and implements effective solutions. Communication style, assertive, stating things directly and bluntly. Learning style, practical, prefers actionable applications of knowledge. Stress response, task-focused, seeking control through structure. Desire, efficiency, striving to achieve goals with maximum effectiveness. Introverted intuition, NI. Orientation, introverted, focuses on exploring and synthesizing internal ideas, pondering deep insights, and understanding complex patterns. From the outside, visionary, offering unique perspectives and predictions. On the inside, insightful, inferring connections and implications that aren't clear-cut. Preferred environment, contemplative, promoting deep reflection. Decision-making style, future-oriented, considers long-term implications and decisions. Problem-solving approach, holistic, viewing problems as parts of an interconnected whole. Communication style, abstract, exploring complex ideas and concepts. Learning style, intuitive, gravitates towards abstract concepts that spark the imagination. Stress response, detached, withdrawing to ponder on insights. Desire, foresight, striving to understand the end before the beginning. Extroverted intuition, NE. Orientation, extroverted, excited by exploring the external world, generating diverse connections and seeking out new possibilities and perspectives. From the outside, creative, effortlessly generating a range of ideas and possibilities. On the inside, brainstorming, connecting unrelated concepts to form new ideas. Preferred environment, stimulating, promoting dynamic exploration. Decision-making style, possibility-oriented, considering numerous potential outcomes. Problem-solving approach, diverse, approaching problems through multiple perspectives. Communication style, enthusiastic, conveying thoughts and possibilities in an engaging manner. Learning style, exploratory, preferring a breadth of knowledge rather than depth. Stress response, distracted, avoids important issues by seeking new stimulation. Desire, exploration, thriving with new experiences and ideas. Introverted feeling, FI. Orientation, introverted. It emphasizes looking inward and examining personal emotions, values, and beliefs independent of the external world. From the outside, empathic, sensitively tuned to emotional nuances. On the inside, reflective, deep connection with personal values and feelings. Preferred environment, personal, requiring solitude to process feelings deeply. Decision-making style, value-based, guided by personal moral compass. Problem-solving approach, individualistic, considering unique feelings and circumstances. Communication style, sincere, sharing feelings with authentic connection. Learning style, personal connection, anchors learning in personal relevance. Stress response, overwhelmed, internalizing feelings until they become oppressive. Desire, authenticity, striving to express and remain true to the self. Extroverted feeling, FE. Orientation, extroverted, channels energy outward, understanding and harmonizing with the emotions of others, creating external connections. From the outside, social, bonding and proactively nurturing. On the inside, vibing, decoding and orchestrating interpersonal dynamics. Preferred environment, community-oriented, where interpersonal connections are valued. Decision-making style, consensus-oriented, accounting for others' feelings and values and needs. Problem-solving approach, inclusive, fostering collaboration and focus on group harmony. Communication style, expressive, conveying feelings openly and directly. Learning style, group interaction, enjoys learning in a social environment. Stress response, over-involved, may feel responsible for other people's needs. Desire, harmony, prioritizing interpersonal accord and mutual understanding. Introverted sensing, SI. Orientation, introverted, focuses on reflecting upon, storing, and recalling personal experiences and seeking stability from within. From the outside, prudent, shows good judgment in avoiding risks and uncertainties. On the inside, recalling, strong focus on personal past experiences and details. Preferred environment, structured, finds comfort in familiarity and routine. Decision-making style, past-oriented, guided by precedent and experience. Problem-solving approach, methodical, applying lessons learned from the past to solve current problems. Communication style, sequential, communicates in a linear step-by-step manner. Learning style, rote, solidifies learning through review and repetition. Stress response, avoidant, retreats to the familiar when stressed. Desire, stability, aiming for a predictable and comfortable life. Extroverted sensing, SE, orientation, extroverted, fully present in the moment, engaging with and responding to the external environment for immediate experiences. From the outside, energetic, gravitates towards active engagement with the environment. On the inside, observing, present in their body, immersed in sensory experiences. Preferred environment, dynamic, lively, and filled with stimulating activity. Decision-making style, momentary, makes decisions based off the immediate context. Problem-solving approach, immediate, tackles problems head-on in a straightforward manner. Communication style, direct, states things as they are without complicating it. Learning style, experiential, values hands-on experiences and active participation. Stress response, impulsive, may respond to stress by overindulging in sensory stimulation. Desire, experience, strives for rich and vivid experiences in the moment.